The guys here have all used the machines for a numerous amount of years. Also, they've had training every 3 to 5 years. We're down here today to refresh that training and to go over any changes in legislation, to make sure that they're happy with everything, bring in some new ideas, and also to make sure that we break any bad habits they may have developed. The train element is designed so that companies make sure that employees are safe on machines. It is something that's very important out there for the industry to meet the compliance of the legislation. The training is delivered in a fashion that it's manageable for the end user. So we're not sat in classrooms for hours on end. We're not just talking about health and safety on a PowerPoint. All the trainers are qualified machinists. They're all experienced machinists, which is important, because to be a good trainer, effectively, you need the experience, you need years of experience, you need the qualifications. We've got a core set of machines that we train on, from bandsaws, surface planers, thicknessers, circular saws, crosscuts. And then we actually do some safe use training on things like CNC routers, automatic crosscuts, etc. So quite a variety of tools. All of our training is compliant with the PURE, the PIABC and IOSH. The feedback we generally get is normally very, very good. Even when you've got people who have used the machines for many years, you'll go through things and quite often they've even forgotten something, or they've picked something up that they may not have picked up if they've been trained before, and so they've learnt something new. And it's quite rewarding from our point of view that they've learnt something, so we get some really good feedback. But all the training is done on site at the customer's premises, making sure that they're aware of their machines and not some new machine that's in a training centre. Their problems, their issues, and that's where they get the best learning.